Hello everyone, welcome you all in Engineering Guru 2020 YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to make 3D model in SolidWorks software. So in this figure, we can see that this is one 3D model. This is isometric drawing. This is orthographic drawing. Here we can see that this is the front view, this is the right hand side view, and this is the top view. Now we will make 3D model by using SolidWorks software. So first select the sketching plane. So for this I am selecting this front plane and then sketch. Then here we can see that the unit, that is IPS, so convert in mmgs, that is millimeter gram second. Now here we can see that this is the front plane. Now from the sketch, select the line, and from this you can draw this vertical line. So here in this figure we can see that the length of this drawing is 60 mm. So we can take this 60 mm. So here we take 60, press enter. Now again select line, draw horizontal line. So here you can see that the length is 30 mm. For this, select this line, modify dimension 30, press enter. Now here we can see that this line. Now here we can see that this line. So total height is 60 and this 20, means the length of this line, vertical line, equal to 40. So again select this line and draw vertical line from the previous point, press enter, accept, then select this vertical line and the dimension is 40 mm. From this, press enter. Now again select this line. Now here we can see that we already draw this vertical line, this horizontal line, this vertical line, means here in 3D model we can see that this line and this line. Now we will make this line. So here we can see that the length of this horizontal line, press accept. Now how to calculate this length? So here we can see that, so in this figure we can see that this is total length equal to 100 mm, this 20, this 30, and this 30, means 30 plus 30 60, plus 20 80, so remaining 20. So length of this horizontal line equal to 30 plus 20 plus 20, means 70. So here we can select this line and take 70, press enter. Now here we can see that this horizontal line. So select this horizontal line from the previous end point, draw horizontal line, press select, press accept. Now here you can see that length of this horizontal line equal to 20 mm. So for this, again I am selecting horizontal line, draw this line at 20 mm. So press accept and close the previous command, select this horizontal line and press modify dimension, that is 20, press enter. Now here you can see that this dimension equal to that angle is given, that is 45, and length equal to 10 mm. So now how can we make? So this is very simple. Select this line, draw this line at the angle is 45. So from this we can select this angle, select this line and this line. So angle is exactly 45 mm. So it is very easy, and the length of this inclined line equal to, zoom to fit, so this angle length is 10 mm. Now again select this line and draw horizontal line. So draw this line, horizontal line, randomly, press accept. So here I am draw one center line from this point, or this horizontal line, it would be 30 mm. Here we can see that from this point this length equal to 30 mm. So modify dimension here, so here modify dimension, that is 30. So we get this end point, and now from this point at the angle 45, and that length equal to 10 mm. So we can also measure this angle from this line. This is same as earlier, 45. Now you can extend this line from here. So extend up to, oh this is wrong, press Ctrl Z. Now again I am select extend line, select this line, so we can easily connect this line, then press accept. Now I am deleting this line, yes. So now draw again selecting this horizontal line, this line, and extend up to this point. So our object is clear. So we can modify this dimension equal to 50. So this is our 2D sketch is ready. Now we take smart dimension and give the dimension, press enter, take the dimension, press enter. This length would be 70.1, it's not possible, so this is 70. This length 20, this length equal to 50 mm, would be 50 mm. Then this length equal to 60 mm. Here the angle, again select smart dimension, this inclined line and this horizontal line. So here the angle is 45, so we can manage this angle 45, press OK, and this. So our sketch is fully defined. Now complete the sketch. Now this is the 2D sketch. Now we convert this 2D sketch into 3D model. So in this feature tab, select extrude base command. So extruded, I am selecting this object. So the 3D model, it would be 50 mm. So I am taking that 50 mm units. So you can see that this is the 50 mm. Now for this I am selecting mid plane. So it is very easy to make this rib from the center. Complete the 3D sketch. Now you can see that we already simple made this model. Now here we can see that this is the half circle from the top side. So here this is the half circle from the top I am selecting this plane and select sketch. Space bar, take the normal plane view. I am selecting this point, so first point and second point, press accept. So here again use smart dimension. The dimension it will be 10 mm, same as from the other side. Select the smart dimension, select first point and this half circle second point, so dimension is same. So complete this arc by using this line. Please accept, continue. Now our half circle sketch is ready. Now here in future again I am selecting extrude cut. So this is the throughout hole, so we can extend like this. Can also select the other options, sketch plane, surface, vertex, and then press OK. So our cut section is ready. So here you can see that our object is ready. Now here the rib is remaining. So for this, selecting one plane at the center. So edit the sketch and then press space bar and select the normal view. In the sketch, select the line, select this point and this end point, press accept. So here we can see that line is ready. In future select the rib. So here you can see that the rib is 10 mm from this line. Press OK. So rib is ready. So here you can see that this object is ready for the 3D model object is ready. So here you can see that the object is ready. We make this model by using isometric views from this drawing. So here you can very easily understand the different command and how to use SolidWorks software. So more video will become by how to use SolidWorks software by the different command. Thank you.